Faster lesson delivery. Writable wall use cuts transition time by 10 minutes per day. Helping students transition from one task to another during the school day becomes much less challenging through the use of whiteboard paint. Enhanced real-time engagement and collaboration. When students can quickly write, draw, and interact with the content on whiteboard walls, they feel inspired to engage in spontaneous thinking and exploration. Writable surfaces encourage movement and interaction. Getting up and going to the whiteboard wall can help refocus and ready students for the next activity or subject in class. This enhances attentiveness, cognitive functioning, so as to ease changeovers between different pursuits. Specific ways using writable walls cuts transition times. 1. Integrated writing space. 2. Trouble-free updates. 3. Clear-cut visuals cues. 4. Easy-to-read schedules. Minimize disruption with whiteboard wall activities. Rather than having students wait idly during transitions, assign them brief, engaging activities to do on the whiteboard wall like quick math problems or brain teasers, sentence building or word association. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at remarkablecoding.com.